Find the centroid of a triangle whose vertices are given below. Before we start the sum, we'll know what is it. Let's revise what's the centroid. So here is a triangle with 3 vertices. We'll call it as A, x1, y1. We have B, x2, y2, and C, x3, y3. Now a triangle has got 3 vertices and the triangle will have 3 medians. What is a median? From opposite vertex to the midpoint here, 1 median. Then it has another median from this vertex to the opposite midpoint, another median. And the third median, opposite vertex to the midpoint here. Now all these median, they meet at a single point here. This single point, the meeting point of all the median is called the centroid. In this case, we'll say it is xy. And there is a formula. Your x is x1 plus x2 plus x3 over 3. And your y coordinate is y1 plus y2 plus y3 over 3. And that's what we need to do here. In this triangle, in the first sum, we have this triangle with its 3 vertices, that is vertex A, B and C. So here are the 3 vertices I've written. So I'm going to mark this as x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. And I need to find the centroid. The centroid will say 0, O, which is xy. Now we know the formula x equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 over 2. We are finding the coordinates of the centroid. So here is x1, x2 and x3. So 1 minus over 2. So this x becomes 3 by 2. Now we need to find that of y. And we know the formula of y is y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. And your y here is y1 is 4, y2 minus 1 and y3 minus 3. So 4 minus 1 minus 2 over 3. So y equal to 1 by 3. So that are the vertices of your centroid. The meeting point of the 3 medians, 3 by 2, 1 by 3. Find the third vertex of a triangle if 2 of its vertices are minus 3, 1, 0, minus 2 and centroid is the origin. So here we have the triangle. This is A, this is B, this is C and this is a centroid O. And here they've given us A as minus 3, 1. The B is given as B is 0 minus 2. So this is the A. I'll just put it up here. This is A. This is B. Now C, the third vertex, is the question. We need to find the third vertex. And the centroid is given as the origin. Okay, so the third vertex, that is C, we don't know. We'll write it A and B. We don't know what is this vertex, A and B. But however, the centroid, they said, is the origin. And you know the vertices of the origin is 0, 0, right? So let's get on with the formula. We know x equal to x1, x2, x3 divided by 3. Now who is your x? This is your x. This is the x1. This is the x2 and this is your x3. So your x1 is minus 3. Your x2 is 0 and your x3 is A and this is your x. So we put 0 equal to minus 3 plus 0 plus A over 3. So 0 equal to minus 3 plus A, your A equal to minus 3. So we got one coordinate of this we got as minus 3. Now let's go for the y. We know the formula of y is y1 plus y2 plus y3 over 3. Now who is the y here? So this is the y coordinate of the centroid. Then this is y1, this is y2, this is y3. So your y1 is 1, y2 minus 2, y3 is b, and your y is 0. So we have 0 equal to 1 minus 2 plus b over 3. So 0 equal to minus 1 plus b, and your b becomes 1. Here it is plus 1, plus 3, not minus 3, okay? So your b becomes 1. That means now this b that we found out here is equal to 1. So C has the coordinates, we are taken as AB, right? And now AB is a comma 1. Now for this next sum, I'm not solving it, it's exactly the same. And here you have a triangle like this. For the second sum, you have A, which is 3, 2. The B is minus 2, 1. Here they've given this is A, this is B. And the centroid is given as this. So this centroid in the center here, that is O. The O, I'll write it here since there's no place. I'll write 5 by 3 and minus 1 by 3. And we need to find the C, which is AB. Same thing. We will do what? This is x1, this is x2, this is x3, and this is x. And you will write x equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 over 3. You put your values. Then you go ahead to find y. And for y, this is y1, this is y2, this is y3, and this is of the centroid is y. So y equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 over 3, and you will find your y.